I bet, like me, you have been bitten by mosquitoes countless times. And malaria, which is caused by mosquito bites, is already claiming hundreds of thousands of lives across the world. In 2023, for instance, according to World Health Organization, there were more than 260 million malaria cases and more than 600,000 deaths. More than 95% of these cases and deaths occurred in Africa. And I bet you'd want to see this epidemic gone. But a recent scientific study published in GeoHealth has a stark warning. Malaria infections across Africa are likely to become more severe in the coming decades, driven by global warming and rapid population growth. Using computer models, researchers projected how rising temperature and population growth is going to shape the spread of malaria between now and the year 2100. In many regions, particularly in East, Central, and West Africa, researchers warn that malaria infections will start rising sharply by 2030s, and the number of days with high infection risks could double by end of the century. Warmer temperatures allow mosquitoes to live longer, bite more often, but also help parasites within these mosquitoes to grow more fast. Combined with heavier rains, which create breeding grounds for these mosquitoes, these factors are going to accelerate malaria transmission. However, researchers emphasize that it is warmer temperatures more than rainfall that will be a key factor in the transmission. More interesting, in countries like Nigeria, researchers note that the number of mosquitoes may increase. However, the infection rates may drop simply because in many populated areas, mosquitoes won't be able to bite everyone. However, this does not offset the broader risk. Other studies support this finding. For instance, by the year 2050, one analysis projects that more additional 75 million people in Eastern Africa are going to be exposed to year-long malaria transmissions. As the continent heats up and population grows, malaria is set to tighten its grip on Africa unless bold action is taken now.